Constantinople, we'll have the world. I just woke from a dream. I told my father he has commanded me to take Constantinople.
I promised you your time would come.
There are 14 miles of walls to defend, Emperor.
The fate of the city is in your hands.
The Sultan is convinced he will conquer the West, just as Alexander conquered the East.
Taking Constantinople would be near impossible.
Near, but not impossible.
People didn't know, was he up to the job? He's a very young guy.
The Sultan appears determined to make a fight of it. But they must get through these walls first.
How do you tear them down? These huge walls. Fire!
Tell me, Sultan, what is to stop me from cutting off your head and ending this here and now?
Both sides believe that God is on their side. There's no guarantee that the siege is going to be successful.
You must not doubt yourself. Now is the time to attack.
Constantine says, these are my people. I'm not going to leave them.
If this is to be the end of the Roman Empire, I will die defending it. A new age is coming, and it begins tonight!